SpaceX, the rocket company helmed by Elon Musk, is always in the news for its groundbreaking advancements and ambitious goals. Known for its rapid pace of development, SpaceX continually pushes the boundaries of space technology. Engineers work tirelessly day and night to bring Elon Musk's vision of interplanetary travel closer to reality. There's always something new happening at Starbase, SpaceX's launch facility in South Texas. This site has become a hub of innovation and excitement, where each day brings new challenges and breakthroughs. The latest news involves a significant change to Ship 35, a prototype of the Starship upper stage. This prototype is crucial for the future missions that SpaceX has planned, including potential trips to Mars. SpaceX decided to swap out a critical component, the Raptor vacuum engine, or RVac for short. This engine is designed to operate in the vacuum of space, providing the necessary thrust for the Starship to reach its destinations. This decision has sparked curiosity and speculation among SpaceX followers. Why the sudden change? Enthusiasts and experts alike are buzzing with theories and questions, eager to understand the implications of this tweak. And what does it mean for the upcoming Flight 9 test mission? This mission is a critical step in SpaceX's journey, and any changes to the Starship prototype could have significant impacts. As always, the world watches with bated breath, waiting to see what SpaceX will achieve next. To understand the significance of this swap, we need to talk about the Raptor vacuum engine. This isn't just any engine. It's a variant of SpaceX's Raptor engine, specifically designed for the vacuum of space. The RVac is crucial for propelling Starship through the void, providing the thrust needed for long-duration missions to destinations like the Moon and Mars. It's more powerful than the standard Raptor engine used during atmospheric flight. This is because the RVac's nozzle is optimized for expansion in the absence of air pressure. The engineering behind the Raptor vacuum engine is a marvel of modern technology. SpaceX engineers have meticulously designed and tested this engine to ensure it performs flawlessly in the harsh environment of space. During testing, the RVac engine undergoes rigorous trials to simulate the conditions it will face in space. These tests are crucial for validating the engine's performance and reliability. When the Starship finally launches, the Raptor vacuum engine will play a pivotal role in its journey. As the Starship ascends through the atmosphere, the standard Raptor engines will handle the initial thrust. Once it reaches the vacuum of space, the RVac engines will take over, providing the necessary propulsion to navigate the vast distances between celestial bodies. This transition is seamless, ensuring that the Starship can efficiently travel to its destination, whether it's the Moon, Mars, or beyond. The success of the Raptor vacuum engine is a testament to SpaceX's dedication to innovation and excellence in space exploration. With this powerful heart, the Starship is well equipped to make humanity's dreams of interplanetary travel a reality. So, why did SpaceX decide to replace the RVac on Ship 35? This decision has sparked curiosity and speculation among space enthusiasts and industry experts alike. The company hasn't provided specific reasons. However, SpaceX is known for its culture of rapid innovation and relentless pursuit of perfection. However, it's likely related to ongoing engine development and testing. SpaceX's Raptor engines are at the forefront of rocket technology, and continuous improvements are essential to maintain their edge. SpaceX is constantly iterating and improving its technology. This iterative process is a cornerstone of their engineering philosophy, allowing them to push the boundaries of what's possible in space travel. They gather data from each test, identify areas for improvement, and then incorporate those improvements into future designs. This feedback loop is crucial for refining their spacecraft and ensuring mission success. It's possible the RVac on Ship 35 was an earlier iteration. As new data comes in, older components are often replaced to enhance performance and reliability. Replacing it with a newer version makes sense. This not only boosts the efficiency of the spacecraft, but also provides valuable insights for future missions. This allows SpaceX to test the latest and greatest RVac design during the upcoming Flight 9 mission. By doing so, they ensure that each mission benefits from the latest advancements, paving the way for more ambitious endeavors in the future. Section 4. Flight 9. Delayed but not derailed. This RVac swap does have implications for the highly anticipated Flight 9. Originally scheduled for late April, the launch date has now been pushed back. SpaceX needs time to integrate the new engine and conduct thorough pre-flight checks. While delays can be frustrating, they are par for the course in the world of aerospace engineering. SpaceX prioritizes safety and meticulousness above all else. It's better to be delayed than to rush a launch and risk a mishap. Section 5. Countdown to launch. A moving target. As of today, May 6, 2025, SpaceX hasn't announced a new launch date for Flight 9. The company typically provides updates closer to the planned launch window. However, it's safe to assume that Flight 9 will take place sometime in the coming weeks or months. Once the new RVac is installed and tested, SpaceX will be ready to resume its Starship test campaign. Section 6. The bigger picture. Reusable rockets. Reusable dreams. This RVac swap might seem like a minor detail in the grand scheme of things, but it highlights SpaceX's iterative approach to development and its unwavering commitment to reusability. The ultimate goal is to create a fully reusable transportation system for Mars and beyond. Each test flight, each engine swap, each delay is a step toward that ambitious goal. Section 7. Onward and Upward. SpaceX's ambitious roadmap. Despite the delays and setbacks, SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of space exploration. The company is actively developing Starship and its Super Heavy booster. They are also working on Starlink, a satellite internet constellation. And then there's the small matter of sending humans to Mars. SpaceX's journey is far from over. In fact, it feels like we're just at the beginning of a very exciting chapter.